Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to do a skincare routine. My skin type is dry to very dry, and the weather around the place I live is also very dry. So keep in mind these things before you see what products I'm using. So once I've washed my face and the skin is still a little bit damp, I'm going to use the Hyaluronic acid serum. The one I'm currently using is from Loreal Revitalift. I'm really enjoying this. I just take a little bit of the product on my hand, and then I like to just apply this. I'm not an Instagram model when I'm doing my skincare, so I don't like to apply it directly on my face. I'm just going to take it on my hand, and then I'm going to apply the product all over my face, and then I'm just going to pat the product in. Also remember to apply your skincare on your neck as well. Alright, so once that is done, I'm just going to press the product onto the skin. And moving on to the second product, I'm using the Minimalist Alpha Arbutin serum. So this one is to target the pigmentation on my face. And again, I'm just going to take a little bit on my hand, and then I'm just going to apply the product over the hyaluronic acid serum. Now also keep in mind, when you're doing like 6-7 products, then you might want to keep the quantity a little bit less so that you don't over apply the product. And keeping that in mind, just use appropriate amount of product is what I'm trying to say. So the same thing with this one, face and neck, and I'm just going to distribute the product evenly all across the face. And the third product that I'm using is the Innisfree. This is their Brightening Pore Serum. I've been using this in my AM PM routine both. So the first 3 products, they are the same in my morning and evening routine as well. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this particular serum. I've been using this, and it really plumps my skin, brightens it up, gives it a nice glow. So yeah, this is a staple in my skincare routine. I'm just going to apply this all over my face, and once that is done, I'm moving on to the eye cream. The one I'm using is from Innisfree. This is their Perfect 9 Repair Eye Cream. I have recently started using this. I'm just going to apply this under my eye, and then I'm just going to take 2 seconds to lightly massage this on my under eye area, on my lid area as well. I like to do that, and it really is very calming, cooling, and it's not very heavy. That's what I like the most about this particular eye cream. Recently started using this and liking it. For a full review, you might have to wait. Now the current moisturizer is also a new one. This is from Innisfree Jeju Orchid Intense Cream. I'm going to use a little bit of this. It's nice, it's very nourishing, it's hydrating, it's not very heavy, like I don't sweat once I use this. So that for me is ideal, because I don't want something that's like very heavy, but I want something that's light and that is also going to hydrate my skin really nicely and moisturize it deeply. Before this, I alternated my moisturizer with the Requil Ceramide moisturizer. So I'm out of that one. So I have switched to this particular cream, and I'm really enjoying this cream. It's nice and very hydrating. I would not recommend this cream for anyone like that has oily skin. And I'm just going to make sure that I press the product nicely into my skin, and everything is coming together. We're almost done with the skincare routine. Next step is the sunscreen, and the one I'm currently using is La Shield, and as you can see, I'm almost out of this. Once I'm out of this one, I'm planning on getting the Requil sunscreen, the zinc one. Let's see. And I'm just going to make sure that I apply this on my face and on my neck nicely. And once that is done, the last step is the lip balm. So this one is from Juicy Chemistry. This one is the Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm. I'm going to slather it up nicely on my lips because my lips are extremely dry. So that's all, you guys. This is my skincare routine. My face is ready. It's nice and hydrated and plump. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.